there, YouTube friends. I'm Cindy and this is SincerelyCindiSettle. Today we're unboxing and trying on a Trendsend. So welcome to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for checking out my channel for the first time. I hope you will consider subscribing, hitting the notification bell, and liking this video if you enjoy unboxings and try-ons. If you are not a new viewer, welcome back. Thank you for sticking with me and for hitting the notification bell and subscribing. So we're doing a Trendsend by Evereve try-on. I said we were doing an unboxing, but I've already unboxed everything. Typically with Trendsend you get 8 to 10 items in the box, and so it can be quite time consuming and cumbersome to film the unboxing of everything. But I will say that Trendsend has a $20 styling fee. Everything comes in outfits, which I love because I struggle with that. So let's just dive right on into the try on. So here is our first look, our first outfit. So if you have been watching my channel, you know in my last Trendsend I had gotten a black blazer that's very similar to this, except it was in the wrong size. So it was in a size small. I don't know why. I'm an extra large. I think it was just an accident. So she sent me the same blazer but in white. So I do like the blazer. I think it has a very nice fit to it. It's double breasted and it does fit me well. Even when it's closed. I think it has a very nice professional look to it. It does have shoulder pads. It has working buttons here. These buttons are not working. The pockets do not work. And I want to say there might be buttons on the inside. Yes, there's one button here that attaches here on the ends. It attaches here. And then you have the two outside buttons so that all of this lays correctly. So the sleeves are the length of the sleeves is good for me as well. I do feel like this is a very good fit. However, number one, it's white. So great in the spring and summer, but I'm not sure how often I'll be wearing a jacket in the spring and summer, especially to work. So I'm a school psychologist, so I don't work during the summer. So I wouldn't really have a need for this in the really, really hot, warm months. I mean, it would be a good transition piece. I'm just not sure that I would get a lot of use out of it, although I really do like it. And I think it would look cute dressed up or dressed down. So I don't know. I imagine it's probably going to be pretty expensive as well. So let me know what you guys think. I know a white blazer is kind of like one of those staples that might be good to have in your closet. And when you find one that fits, maybe you want to stick with it. So I don't know. I'm on the fence about this one. I'm not sure how much wear I would get from it. So the next piece we have is this cute little tank top. It is like a rainbow collared mixtured tank top. The fit is very nice. Under the arms is very nice. You can see that there. The straps are large enough to cover the bra strap as well. It's not overly long or anything like that. I feel like this is a good fit as well. I'm going to get a little bit closer so that you can see the collars. So there you can see it is like a sweater type of material. It does have a lot of different collars in there. You've got some yellows and blues and whites. And it comes off kind of like a pinkish collar. It's very cute. I like the scoop V-neck there. Let me do a quick turnaround and see what you guys think. So this is very cute. I think that I would get some wear from this both in the spring and in the summer. I would wear this to work with a blazer or a jean jacket or something like that. I do have a yellow blazer that I just purchased from Stitch Fix. I'll link that one up above, as well as the black blazer Trendsend. I will link that one back when I was talking about that blazer. Completely forgot to indicate that I would link that up above. So I'll put that up there for you. So what do you guys think about this? I would wear it with shorts in the summer. I hesitate with the sweater material. And I realize it's a tank top, but it's kind of one of those, does it really balance out? and will I really wear it in the summer? Like today it's going to be about 87 degrees, 85 degrees, something like that. I'm not sure that it would be all that comfortable. I'm afraid that I would get hot. Now, if it's somewhere, if I'm going in and out quickly, that might be a different story. All right, so let's move on to the jeans. These are Good American jeans. They are very, very high-waisted, like way up above the belly button. They are a size 16, and they are a little bit big on me. I do have quite a bit of room back here, gaping a little bit, and as I've worn these, just, you know, getting ready to film and that kind of thing, I noticed that they do sag here in the crotch as I wear them a little bit longer. They are a lighter wash. They're a light blue. I like the wash. I like the fit in terms of like the straight leg. They are a little bit distressed. They have some distressing here. It's your 5-pocket, yes, 5-pocket traditional jean, and I will pan down and show you the distressing in the knees as well as the raw hem. So here you can see the lighter wash. You can get a good picture of what that looks like. You do have a hole in each knee. It's actually right below the knee for me. The length is good for my height. I am 5'9", and there is a raw edge, a raw hem there. I'll do a quick turnaround. But again, these are not the best fit for me. There would be a lot of sagging, a lot of pulling the underwear up because the jeans make the underwear sag. You guys know what I'm talking about, right? So these are not going to be for me, but I am going to maybe consider the sweater. All right, moving on to the next item with the same pants. We have a different shirt. I'll be right back. Okay, new top, same jeans. So very cute tank top. It's very, very soft and very comfortable. It does have the cute little neckline here. It comes down in a uneven, I don't know what that's even called, design there, and then it has this cute little cutout here at the shoulder. The bra straps are covered, which is nice. Under the arms are nice. I do, however, feel like there's a little bit of pulling here. Although it doesn't feel tight, I feel like when I look in the mirror, there's a little bit of pulling here, and I'm not sure how great it looks from the back, but I do like this one. So I'm going to take a look at the footage and see what it looks like, and maybe pair it with a different pair of jeans, since these are not going to be a pair that I keep, to see if I like the silhouette. And as always, let me know what you guys think, but this one is super cute. I love the cute little details there. All right, moving on. All right, so here we have our next two items. So you'll notice that my box this time was very kind of neutral colored. There's not much in terms of bright colors or anything like that, but we do have this very pretty white ruffled crochet top with a lot going on. It's super cute. The fit is great. Let me get a little bit closer so you can see all of the pretty details. All right, so here you can see it's a very pretty lace. It does have ruffles going all the way down the side and then all the way up the back. The underarm coverage is great. It is lined here in the front, but it is not lined in the back. I will do a turnaround so that you can see the detail in the back as well as the unlined portion in the bottom. The back is opened. It does have a little button here, and then the back is open. It does show a little bit of the bra strap, which could probably be fixed with, you know, double-sided tape or something like that. So not a huge fan of that detail. Not sure that this one's going to stay in my closet, but I do really like it. I think it is really cute, very feminine, if that is a look that you like. Again, the fit is great. So let me let you see the back. And you can see down here where it's not lined. So if you're comfortable with that, I mean, you can feel the difference in it being lined versus not lined. I mean, I'm much cooler in the back, so there is some airflow coming through there. But I do think it is very, very pretty. All right, so let's talk about the skirt. I'm going to go back just a little bit. All right, so here is the skirt. It is a very, very comfortable material. It is like a stretchy, cottony, spandexy. I'm not sure what the material is, but it's great. It's got this side slit here that's very cute. I mean, it comes right below the knee. This could be dressed up or dressed down because of the material. The waistband is elastic. It is just a slide-on dress or skirt. I'm not sure what I would wear with it. I always struggle with that, you guys know. So let me just do, so my stylist said that then this top and then the next top that I could pair both of those with this skirt, which would be cute. And I guess really you could wear anything with it, but wouldn't it really be cute with, like in the fall with a moto jacket and boots? And tennis shoes would look cute with it too, with just a casual, even a t-shirt and jean jacket. So I don't know. This one is different for me. I don't have anything like it in my closet. And I don't feel like it's too, at least from here. I'm looking at it on a tiny little screen. I did look at it in the mirror, but I don't know. I don't feel like it's too, what's the word I'm looking for? Tight, I guess. And it is very comfortable. Let me know what you guys think about this one. I am going to watch the footage back as usual before I make any final decisions, but I don't know, I kind of like this. All right, so we have one more shirt and a pair of pants that do not fit, so I can't even get them up over my hips. So I will talk about those whenever I do the wrap up. So I'll be right back. So here we have the last top. It is a cute, cute peasant style top. It has a 3/4 length sleeve. It does have a button here that is in the same material as, it actually has 2 buttons, so it is adjustable there. No, just one button, sorry. It does have a little keyhole there on each arm. It hits right below the elbow. It has a, I guess this is a split neck as opposed to a V-neck. I'll get a little bit closer so you can see the pattern. It is a very pretty floral pattern. So there you can see the pretty floral pattern. It's got some greens and yellows and blues, a little bit of pinks in there as well. It's a very unique combination of colors that just works. There's nothing special really up here about the sleeves or anything like that. There's no ruffles or anything. It just does just kind of lay open like that. So I'm not sure how I feel about that. Anyway, so, and then you can see the little keyhole there, as well as there is a little button right there. So I'll step back, do a turnaround. So I feel like this is a cute, again, it's a good fit. It's a flattering look for me. I'm not as big of a fan of it being out like this as I am with it tucked. This would look cute with shorts and with jeans, dressed up, dressed down. However, really you wanted to wear it, a very neutral top. All right, so let's sit down and talk prices. Okay, let's get right on to this wrap up. So if you have never tried Trendsend, there is a referral link down below that will get you 20% off of anything that you wish to purchase in your box. And I believe your first box is only $1. So that referral code also gives me 20% off of my next box. So for those of you that have used my referral code, thank you very much, because I usually do have a 20% off in my box. So in your box, you will have this cute little envelope, and it will tell you what to do. On the back, you will also have your invoice, and then you will have your note from your stylist, as well as their recommended ways to style your outfits. So I really like that about Trendsend. I feel like it is very personalized. And Haley is my stylist, and she has been my stylist for a little while now. So she is getting to know me and what I like and what I don't like. So let's start with these pants. These are the ones that I was not able to show you. These are the Stretch Twill cropped wide leg pants by Spanx, and they are in a mauve color, and they are an extra large, and they are $102.40. With Spanx pants, I have found that the extra large is not really an extra large. It just doesn't work for me. They are a wide leg. You can see that there. They do have pockets in the back. They are a slide-on. They do not have a zipper or anything. And then they have pockets that are buttoned here in the front as well. I like the collar and everything of those. I don't think that I would like the wide leg cropped. I think wide leg would be okay, but I'm not sure that I would like the crop. If you guys, those of you who have been watching, you know I'm not a big fan of the cropped pants. All right, so let's get into this. So let's start with the white tank top. This is by Evereve. It is $38.40. Really cute. I'm worried about the lumps and bumps in the back, so we will see. But I like that price. It is very soft, and it was very comfortable. The double-breasted blazer, that is this. I did like this as well. Not sure about how much wear I would get out of it, and it is $126. The fit was great. Just not sure I would wear the white very much. Black or navy or something darker, I would probably wear a little bit more in the fall and winter months. I'm not sure I'd get much wear out of that because I'm not sure how much I would wear white in the fall and winter. Although I know we can wear white in the fall and winter. I'm just kind of old school. All right, let's see. So then we have, they're calling this Rainbow Prism by John and Jenn, and this is $70.40. And I did not mention this before, but the straps are reinforced on the inside there, if you can see that. I'm guessing for hanging purposes so that your straps don't stretch out. I did like that one. I'm just not sure that I want to spend $70 on it, that I love it enough to do that. Then we have, oh, the skirt. I thought it said shirt. I was like, I don't have a black shirt. All right, so here is the skirt that I did really like. Not too bad. It is $62.40. So this might be a contender. I am going to watch the footage back. This would be something different for me that I don't have in my closet. And you guys know how I feel about skirts. So, I don't know. We'll see. Okay, the Alice Raglan blouse. That is this one here. It is $70.40. I did really like this one a lot. I like this one better than the Prism tank top. I feel like this would transition well to spring, to fall. I would get a lot of wear out of that, I feel. And then we have the white eyelet top, and this is by Sanctuary. It is $71.20. So I liked this one as well. I just don't know that I loved it. So there you have my Trendsend for April. So I'm thinking of giving Trendsend a break over the next, I don't know, couple of months. Just because they are a little more expensive than some of the other boxes. I do like them. I like the way they style everything. And I do typically like 1 or 2 pieces in the box, which is a good thing because I do get to spend the $20 styling fee on something that I do like and that I do get some wear out of, but I'm still spending a good amount of money after that to get the items. So I might give them a break. I've been wanting to try Dia & Co. You guys have recommended them as well. So I may try Dia & Co. for a couple of months, and I may end up coming back because I do like them a lot. So we'll see. Let me know what you guys think. I will see you guys soon. I am Sincerely Cindy Settle. I'm signing out. Mwah.